Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch 6 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. Basically how to increase or decrease the sound volume for different things on your device. So let's get started. And to adjust the sound volume on this watch, we need to open the settings, of course. So press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Once you open the menu, scroll through it and look for the settings icon and then tap on it, of course. And once you open the settings, find the option called the sounds and then tap on it. And right here we have two options, volume and silent mode. If the silent mode is enabled, your watch won't make any sound, of course. So I'm gonna disable it, then tap on volume, and here we can adjust the volume of the sound on our watch. And you can do it by swiping on the slider like this. And once you're done, you can swipe right or press the crown button to go back to watch face. And basically that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.